How to find CapCut template history on your mobile. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can find out your CapCut template usage history using CapCut mobile. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out the CapCut template history, you just need to go and open up the CapCut application from your mobile. And from the CapCut homepage, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now, once you're here inside your CapCut profile, you'll get to see the view history option. If you tap on this is going to quickly show you all the history that you have done on your CapCut account so far. You'll get to see I have used a few different CapCut templates on my account. You'll get to see these are the templates that I've recently used. So this is how you can actually find out the recently used CapCut templates on your mobile. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.